In this video, we're going to demonstrate flexible reserved instances inside of the CMP. Flexible reserved instances, or Flex RIs, let you commit to EC2 reserved instances in 1 month intervals, as opposed to 1 year or 3 year commitments. On top of that, you'll also receive a portion of the AWS listed discount for the equivalent 1 year reserved instance commitment. This means that with Flex RIs, you can minimize reserved instance lock-in risk for your less predictable workloads while also paying less than you would for on-demand, essentially giving you a best of both worlds. So here we are on the main Flex RI page. To get here, first thing you're going to want to do is click on the Flexible RIs icon on your left-hand navigation panel. Here you'll see some metrics, some reporting metrics around your Flex RI purchases if you have purchased some already. And depending on what you have filtered here, you'll see, in our case, we see 2 reserved instances, 2 Flex RIs that we purchased back in July that are now retired, and some statistics around those, which we can expand if we want to learn more. But first things first, we're going to want to make a new order. To do so, click on this new order here. Before I go into this, I will mention that you can also bulk upload orders using a CSV file. But for the purpose of the demo, we'll do this manually. So click on New Order. You're going to want to select your AWS account, the region you want to purchase instances for, the machine type, the operating system. We also offer Windows. In this case, we're just displaying Linux for this specific region and instance type combination. The number of instances that you're going to want to select, and then you're going to want to notice a few things here. First, we will show you how much you will pay if the flexible reserved instances are fully utilized. And also note that at the time of this recording, we are in January, so these flexible reservation orders will start on the following month in February, and they will end at the end of February. Now, last 2 things you can do here, but they're both optional, is 1, set up recurring purchases. So you're going to want to select how long you'd like this specific machine type and OS and region to be purchased until. So if I wanted to until August 2021, I would select August. You can also set order notes, which give more context around your order. So you might write something like production nodes. Again, these 2 are optional, but they may help you. So once you've made your orders, assuming you've made in the beginning of the month, you have until the last 3 days of the month to edit those orders. They will appear here as well, depending again on your filter. Assuming you have nothing filtered, any orders you made will appear here. Now let's focus on these 4 reporting metrics. These give you a high-level overview of your past and existing Flex RI purchases. First one is total expected savings. So what this shows you is the maximum amount you could have saved given 100% utilization of the flexible reserved instances that you've purchased. Actual savings is the amount that you've actually saved. This flexible reservation utilization shows how well you are utilizing your flexible reserved instances. And then year-to-date savings is the total savings across all of your reservations from the beginning of the current year. In this case, we're in 2021 and we have no Flex RIs purchased, so it's 0. One thing to note is that these first 3 metrics change depending on your filter. So these numbers will change if you mess with the filter in any way. So for instance, if I change my instance type to T2 micro only, I'll see these 3 numbers change. That's about it. Give Flex RIs a try and let us know what you think. And we hope you like it.